Hey everyone. My name is Sara and I am an NYC fitness trainer. This is Trainer of the Month Club with Well+Good. I'm going to take you through a full body burpee workout. It is beginner friendly, so we're gonna progressively get that heart rate up there. I am not gonna burn you out straight out the gate. Getting started with our activation station, we're actually gonna get the heart rate elevated with some taps to the side. Nice and controlled here. Taking up space with those arms. In less than 10, we're going for full blown jacks. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's jack it out. Nice and light on those toes, getting those heart rates elevated here. Now taking it into that upper bod, arm circles towards the back in 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms extended out to the side, sending that energy to the back. Energy shooting through those fingertips. Losing my words here, I'm getting so excited. And shoulders rolling down the spine, taking the energy forward in 3, 2, 1, opposite way. And here's that little burn that we know and love. We're gonna take it to our lower bod, mobility, leg swings up and over, right leg only, in 4, 3, 2, 1. That right leg is gonna make a nice semicircle. Keep that foot turned out and then come right back. Other side, up, and then bring it right on over. Making sure those hip flexors are nice and mobilized and energized. Okay, we're gonna go for 2 more, right and left. Again, just mobilizing those hip flexors, those hips, getting everything nice and open. And now meeting me with hip width apart. Dropping those hips down for some squats. Now, as I mentioned before, we're gonna take you through a beginner-friendly burpee workout. I'm gonna take you through several variations of a burpee, and you're gonna understand why it is so good to either attach it onto your workout or maybe just do a few rounds of burpees. If you're short on time, get that heart rate elevated, endorphins flowing. Last few moves here. Lateral hip openers, taking this feet hip width apart a little bit wider. In 3, 2, 1, opening that stance. We're gonna bend one leg, send that energy to the front. Lateral hip openers. Sending the energy through those arms, bending at one leg, long, beautiful spine. And these are your last few seconds here. Continue to send that energy to the back. Final 4, 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Making our way to the mat here. We're gonna end with a walkout to a high plank. Right foot elevates forward, spider lunge. Send it back, walk it right back up. Opposite side. You have about 30 seconds to play here. Drop those hips low on that spider lunge, and then send them right back up for that walk up. Less than 15. Again, if you need to hold, maybe go for some hip circles. Do what you need to do, because after this, the ball is rolling, the party is starting. 4, 3, 2, 1, donezo. Okay, crew. Here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna enter our first working block. We have about 4 parts of this working block. Again, progressively climbing that ladder, and we're gonna finish with a full interval of burpees. First working block, first exercise, we have a modified burpee. So starting in a squat, you're actually gonna step back, step it forward, extend at the top. Focusing on form here. Step it back, high plank, hips low, chest proud, step it right back up. That's your first move, 30 seconds. Second one, we're holding a high plank for 30 seconds. And now here's this progression. Adding in that hop, no jump just yet. Hop back, you can add in a push-up if you want. 1 hop, no jump yet. one hop, modification if you need to, push up. That fourth move, we hit a elbow hold for 30 seconds, okay? That is your first working block. We're hitting progressive burpees in that first chunk with slicing in some core nuggets, okay? First 30 seconds, modified, no hopping, stepping. Let's get it. In 4, 3, 2, starting with that chest proud, hips low, find that deep squat, plant those hands, step it back, step it right back forward. Now from here, those hips drop, that chest lifts, you drive up. That is super important because as we progress this burpee, your body is going to fatigue. Fight that urge to send that energy forward and send those shoulders forward. Always keep everything nice and stacked and roll back. Crew, you got a little less than 10 seconds. We're gonna meet in that high plank. 8, 6, last 4, 3, 2, hold. Spreading those fingertips, pressing up and out of those shoulders. I want you to think you're solidifying your core because now we're gonna add that hop forward, no jump yet, and that push up. In 4, 3, last 2, 1 hop it forward, chest proud, hips low, extend. Hop it right back. Push up, modification, knees drop. Again, as you step wider than those hands, chest lifts, drive it up. That is going to turn into a squat jump. So prepare yourself. Less than 15 here. We're gonna drop it down to those elbows for that plank hold. I don't know about you, but you can feel it already. Full body movement here. And this is only modification. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's meet down. Elbow plank, solidify it. Squeeze those glutes, belly button to spine. This is a major moment in the burpee. Even though you're not in an elbow plank, you are still in a high plank through that burpee. Take these core nuggets and try to really fine tune and find that connection for when it's time to move again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Okay, that was good. That was your first modified round. Now we climb that ladder. We're making our way to the top. We're gonna progress everything here. This time, for that first move, we're adding in the push-up, we're adding in the hop, we're adding in a jump. So here it is, full burpee. Hop it back, push up or modified, hop it forward, chest proud, elevate, nice and proud. Back to that push off, back to that hop back. Now, even though we are progressing here, if you need to go back to that modified position, you know I support you. 30 seconds on, and just like that first round, after your first 30, high plank hold. Full burpees, full round. 4, 3, 2, let's start with that squat. Hop it back. Inhale, exhale, push up. Chest proud, elevate. Beautiful. Now, take it slow in the beginning. Again, we focus on form first. If you need to add those step-ins, instead of the hop, to solidify and then elevate, you can. Less than 15. High plank hold. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, hold. Now, your body's probably shaking right now. That was 30 seconds of full burpees. And now we're just holding in space. This is the challenge. Glutes, core, pressing up and away. Your body knows this movement already. We just did it with the burpees. We're gonna go for it again. Full burpees, 30 seconds on. 4, 3, 2, let's get it. Now this time, if you wanna add that step back and add that push up a little bit sooner, you can. As you step, you lower. That is the challenge. If not, continue to split it up. Hop a step into that push up. Now, you can probably see why I said this is perfect. If you're short on time, You're getting full body, heart rate is elevated, and you got you a little circuit right here. 15 quick minutes, full body sweat, calories in the bag. We're gonna go for that elbow plank hold. In 4, 3, 2, drop it down. Whew. Okay, yeah. Max effort. You hear the breath. I'm rocking out with you. This is your last and final 20 seconds. We recover. 15. If you need to tap those knees, you can, but challenge. If you start to shake, that is good. You're pushing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. How do you feel about burpees? Hopefully this made you feel a little bit deeper connected. I still personally have a love-hate relationship with burpees, but listen to your body right now. Heart rate is elevated. You got a good workout in what? 10 to 15 minutes. We did burpees, we ignited that core. Let's go into our cool down, starting with a tall kneeling position. Left knee down, right foot planted. Hips are nice and squared off. We're gonna go ahead and squeeze that left glute, making some space in the left hip flexor, and then go for a nice side stretch here. Feeling length throughout the side of that left side of the bod, energy shooting through those fingertips. I want you to take it a little bit further. Left wrist outside of that right knee. Spine grows taller, extending to the back through that right arm. Keep squeezing that left glute. Help you find balance. Last 4, 3, 2, rotating back to the front. We hit a nice hamstring stretch. Straightening out that right leg, keeping that spine long. Chest stays proud. Thinking chest to upper thigh or chest to quad versus shoulders. And last few moments here, if you can take it a little bit further, live in that sweet spot for 4, 3, 2, let's switch it out. Left foot plant, right knee down, roll those shoulders back. On your next exhale, nice long side bend. Squeezing that right glute. Again, making space through that right hip flexor. And on your next exhale, going a little bit taller through that spine. Right wrist, left knee, extending through that left arm. Last 3, 2, ending with that hamstring stretch on that left side, extending through that leg, flexing through that toe. Assessing which side you have a little bit more range, which side is a little bit more tooty. And again, leading with the chest as always. Last 3, 2, 1. Meeting in the quadruped position. Hips up, down dog. Soft bend in those legs as you walk your hands to your toes or toes to your hands. Rolling up together, each vertebrae at a time for 4, 3, 2, proud chest, shoulders rolled back. This is Trainer of the Month Club with Well+Good. Sara here. Hope to see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.